Tactical Dent Texas is your trusted hail damage repair specialist in Plano, Texas, providing expert paintless dent removal, door ding repair, and large dent repair with a hassle free experience. We work with all insurance companies and help reduce or even eliminate your deductible in most cases, making repairs more affordable for you. Our paintless dent repair PDR process is the industry's most advanced method for removing dents without repainting or body fillers. This means your vehicle retains its factory finish, original paint, and resale value, all while being repaired faster and more efficiently than traditional body shop methods. We know hail damage can be frustrating, which is why we make the process easy. Our secure gated repair facility in Frisco, Texas ensures the safety of your vehicle while our expert team restores it to pre-damage condition. We also provide free rental cars, mini detailing, and complimentary pickup and delivery for all of Plano, so you never have to worry about transportation during the repair process. At Tactical Dent Texas, we stand behind our work. That's why every repair comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle's dents won't return. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to delivering top quality results with fast turnaround times and a seamless, stress-free experience. Whether you have minor door dings, large dents, or extensive hail damage, Tactical Dent Texas has you covered. Our goal is to restore your vehicle quickly, affordably, and with zero out-of-pocket cost in most cases. Schedule your free estimate today at hailplano.com or call now to get started. Let Tactical Dent Texas bring your vehicle back to perfection with expert hail damage repair in Plano, Texas.